Look who's got a gate now! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I'm sitting outside by the fire pit because I have another backyard update for you. Today I have a bunch of stuff to show you guys. One of them is the fact that almost all of the furniture is here. So I have the sofas, I have all the chairs, I have the fire pit is in. There's still some things that have to be done, like some landscaping, some lighting, a lot of cleaning. It's just been really dirty and windy outside, so not everything is looking like 100 at the moment. So we've got a lot of exciting new updates happening out here, so I'm going to walk you guys through it and pretty much everything that's come in. So this area, oh my gosh, when you guys see the before pictures, it looks so different. It was just a much different space. There was grass back here. There's a little bit less now, but I think it makes more sense than what it looked like before. This is our back patio area. This is the area that comes off of the kitchen that I wanted to look really pretty, have lots of different textures and layers in here. This is just like a little light conversation area. We still have the covers on the cushions because our covers for the furniture haven't come in yet and it's supposed to rain. So we're just like leaving it on for now. That's the plan. And over here is where I want to put some big planters, like some type of like trough planter along this, and then just have like big pretty plants coming out here. This is where I kind of want to have the hydrangeas. We'll see. But this area is pretty much done. All the creeping fig has been planted, but nothing's really growing yet. If you guys look at the hillside's actually like all the weeds even died. So,
but it's okay.
It's fine. This is the grass area for the dogs. Everybody that said, do you even have grass for your dogs? No, I let them pee inside. Look, you can tell the grass is already ruined from them, okay? Yellow spots everywhere. One of the big changes that just happened was the rocks finally got put in, and I can't tell you how many rock places we went to. I learned a lot about rocks that I wasn't ready for. A lot of variations in rocks, you guys. So what I ended up going with is a Mexican mixed pebble. So this one has the gray tones, but it also has a few like more red toned rocks that look a little bit like red potatoes. It has beige rocks and then the buff colored rocks and a few white rocks in there. All right, this is the side yard. Now I decided to put rocks here instead of dirt because the dogs kind of get into this area a lot and I didn't want to deal with them digging and all that over here. So we put rocks here, but I think once all of this grows in and covers the wall and I don't see the wall anymore, I'm gonna be fine with it. But for now, I see like this still with the rock and I'm like, another area that we need to landscape is this whole side along the fence line. I'm not going to do stones here just because of how I feel about it over there, and I feel like it's going to be too much stone and concrete all right here. So I think I'm going to do some black mulch all in this whole planter area alongside the fence. I'm still trying to decide on plants that I want to do, but I'm thinking every other panel, they're like these agave plants, but they're maybe like this high from the concrete, and then they have kind of like a little... All right, and you guys know how excited I was about this, the outdoor barbecue. John and I grill pretty much every single day. The griddle is in, and this is fun to cook on. It's kind of a little bit of a learning curve, though, I'm not gonna lie. But when I went to a teppanyaki restaurant, I asked the guy, how do I clean it? I was getting some tips from him, so I gotta try out some of the things that he told me. You can cook anything on here, anything. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, anything. And then our stools come in this weekend, actually, so let's all cross our fingers that the height is good. All right, so this is the area that faces the outdoor kitchen, and we wanted this to feel kind of like open concept, like in a house, you know, when the living room faces the kitchen kind of thing. So we have the outdoor kitchen there, and then over here we have the L-shaped sectional facing it, so it's like I could be here chilling, watching John cook for me. So I still need to get pillows for this couch, but I kind of couldn't decide what I wanted to get. I got a bunch of them and then I was like, you know what? I don't know if I want those tones, those colors, so I'm kind of just gonna live in it for a little bit and see how I feel and what colors I want to bring in. This fabric on here is like an indoor-outdoor fabric. It's supposed to be very, very durable, very easy to clean, but yes, it still makes me a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie, having white fabric out. I don't have a white fabric inside the house. And then I want to do like some type of cool centerpiece here, but pausing on that for now. All right, so my two planters came in, which I really love. I think they're the perfect size for this area, but now what I want to get is some type of artificial plant to put it. I know, putting fake plants outside, but this way I don't have to worry about watering it. I don't have to worry about it staining underneath the planter, like the water ring or anything. Something like maybe this high. I gotta find that. I don't know where to find it. but I gotta find it somewhere. All right, so this is like the most finished area we have currently. Okay, so we got the fire pit. The fire pit came in, put the furniture back here. It looks really, really good. I love it. So we did the fire pit here. We have the lava rock, which I really like lava rock. My contractor was telling me that it's not cool. I should do glass tile, but I like this. I feel like it looks earthy, you know, tones, if you will. This giant dog bed. So I ordered this one for the area outside my kitchen, but it's so big. Turb, come here. Turbo. Turb. Turb. Come lay on your bed. Come here. She looks like an ant on here. It's so big. So I just brought this out here. I figure if we're all outside, either I could put it here by the fire pit or over there if we're like grilling or something, and they can just all, her and Mikey like to lay down together. So it's, girl, you do not just step on my shoe. So all the furniture that I got, the one for the patio over on the side of the house, the L-shaped sectional, and then these 4 chairs and the fire pit, they're all from Restoration Hardware. And I really like the way it turned out. I think everything looks really good in here so far. I can't wait till my poofs come in. The jute poofs that I got for over here. I feel like that's gonna be a really nice touch too. And my contractor pulled these plants from my front yard and transplanted them over here, which is pretty nice. They're still coming back to life a little bit. They've been neglected. I can't wait till all the lighting is in. There is one light that shoots up right now. Soon it's gonna be everywhere, like all along the side of this fence, and then these 3 plants here, everything's gonna have the lights pointing up. Lighting makes a huge difference, so I'm pretty excited to see how that turns out. So far, this back corner, like I love looking out my windows and just seeing this back here. It's just so peaceful and calm. All right, you guys, so that is everything for today's backyard update. We're pretty much like 90% there. Now we have the details. Stools are coming in. We've got some more like decor pieces. I want to do some end tables to put in between here so that we have somewhere to set your drink. So that's some of the stuff that we have left to do in the backyard. Construction starts again next week for the front. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. Turb, please, do you mind?
Turb, we're filming.
Filming, Turb. Thank you so much.
Or scrolling.
Chestnuts roasting. We stay lit on that shit. Mikey's about to fall. Oh, she's gonna make it. She's gonna make it. Oh no. Oh, Mikey.
How'd you get up there?
That's why it's breaking right there. They're out to get me. They're out to get my plant. Peaceful, and it has a very tranquil essence.
You didn't want to say vibe.
I didn't want to say vibe. Essence is my new one. Why are you making those noises? Why do you do that?